Hey everyone, welcome back to RapidDirect's channel. I'm Melody. One of the most common questions we get from our customer is, how much is that going to cost? Honestly, that's a tough one to answer without seeing your design and knowing your project details. When it comes to cost, you should consider material cost, manufacturer cost, and shipping cost, and others. In this video, I will share you 6 commonly used sheet metal materials and let you know which is cheaper, which is more expensive. Never gonna give you. First up, cold rolled steel, SPCC, the most budget-friendly option. It has a smooth, shining surface and good machinability, which makes it popular. But SPCC isn't corrosion-resistant. Without the surface treatments like powder coating, it's prone to rust. If your parts are going to be exposed to moisture or used outdoors, this might not be your best to choose. The second in the price list, we've got hot rolled steel, SPHC. It offers better toughness and ductility compared to SPCC, and is great for stamping and bending. However, its lower strength makes it unsuitable for structural parts, and its rough, dark surface isn't good looking. It's very economical for non-aesthetic applications. Coming in the third is galvanized steel. There is 2 types, SECC and SGCC. This material comes coated with a zinc layer that offers strong rust and corrosion resistance. But there's a trade-off. Because of the zinc coating, welding can be tricky with the material. If you are picking the material for outdoor use, SGCC is your better option, as it's got a thicker zinc layer, up to 120 grams per square meter, which gives it extra protection. The next in the list, aluminum. Its cost falls between galvanized steel and stainless steel. It's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and great for heat dissipation, making it ideal for electronics or automotive applications. However, it isn't as strong as cold-rolled steel and is more difficult to machine compared with other materials. When laser cutting aluminum, it requires twice the power needed for carbon steel or stainless steel. Also, its high thermal conductivity makes it more challenging to weld. So, when choosing aluminum for your sheet metal projects, be aware that the high manufacturing cost plus with its material cost can drive up the overall cost significantly. Moving on to stainless steel. This material is known for its outstanding corrosion resistance, strength, and durability. Plus, it's easy to cut, bend, and weld, which is why it's one of the most widely used materials in sheet metal fabrication. But stainless steel isn't suitable for projects that require lightweight materials. It's also quite expensive, costing about 4 times as much as regular galvanized steel. Last but not least, we've got the most expensive material on the list, copper. Copper T2 and copper C110 are 2 commonly used materials in sheet metal projects. Copper has excellent electrical and thermal conductivity, plus good corrosion resistance and manufacturability, making it a top choice for electronic components like bus bars. But copper is soft, so it's not great for structural or load-bearing parts. It's also costly to machine, which adds to the final price. Material choice is just one factor that affects overall cost. You also need to consider manufacturing, shipping, and other related expenses to make the best decision. At RapidDirect, our engineers are ready to help you find the best fit materials and cost-effective solutions for your project. Reach out to us for a free consultation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights from the RapidDirect team. See you in the next one. Bye!